I found a real cool tool to upload products in bulk to Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify, and I want to share with you guys what I found. You all know, yeah, that it is a very time-consuming task when you need to upload multiple designs. And well, with this tool, you can do something amazing. I will show you. You go to into the tool, you hit here sign in or register if you don't have an account yet. And what you can do is you can start creating your design, and it's a really easygoing process. And one of the things that I've seen and learned is like you can go to upload image and yeah, upload an image like this, and you can save the design or you can go for a text design. And one cool thing you can do with a text design is I'll show you now is you can type in like you are on awesome dead. You can adjust the line styling, so you can adjust fonts. You can add your own if you want. You can apply it right here. Let's do a basic one here, just for demo purposes. So yeah, you hit on save. What you can do right here, you can review your designs and you can apply it on different products. Yeah, one thing you have to keep in mind is that you have to connect the fulfillment party, and one of the fulfillment parties that work together with MacLaunch is Custom Cat. You can hit here, go to Custom Cat, and yeah, do a sort of connect store. You have to enter the store name, enter the store URL, and then you're good to go. So back to this is like one of the main features in MacLaunch is like having collections. So if I move over here, you can see there are some pre-filled collections. You can see like family man, family woman, first names. Like these are the most popular first names, or well, a set of popular names in the USA. But you can manage also your own collections here, and collections is something that is very handy. So if you go back here, you go here to You're an Awesome Dad, and you hit like products, add product, and then go for the mug. Then you go to create listing. You hit your Etsy store or whatever your store of choice will be, because they offer also an Amazon connection, Etsy, and Shopify. So let's go back and go here to upload. Then next, go back. Oh, that's the only white mug. You can also do accent mugs if you can see right here, in a black mug as well. So hit next. Then you can see the collection, and let's go for this grandma, grandpa. Well, let's go for jobs. So here you can see you can replace text, and you can here search for text that you want to replace. But we go for the word dead and we replace it by jobs. So what you can see here, like 194 products will be created when you go for this. And you can also go for the text format, like capitalized case, lowercase, or uppercase. So I go for uppercase now. And yeah, there's also, this is only available for Shopify at the moment. So here you go next. You can see you can group and set your price by size, color and size. If you select more variants here, you can easily adjust the price. When you set a price, you can do it like here, and you can also see your profit here. Then move over to description. You can generate it automatically here. And if you scroll down, you can see like all this texts will be replaced by the word that's actually in the design. So I will alter this a little bit. This size thing you can also replace by size, but I will do it like this. And well, you can set and do any description you like. So stuff it with keywords or with the niche words. You can hit next. Then you can see like, okay, the primary image is white. You can upload additional images if you like here. And if it's not needed, then you can hit next and hit publish listings. And what will happen now, the listing creation will take place. If I refresh this, you can automatically see that it is preparing the upload batch, and then it's all said and done. So yeah, it's really, really, really fast. like I expect this will be those products, like the 194 products will be there in less than 10 minutes. Bye bye.